Hi guys, welcome to Memoi. My name is Harriet Kimani and I am an interior designer. I've been working as an interior designer for 5.5 to 6 years now. I started as an interior decorator, working for about 2-3 companies. There's one I worked for like a month, and then I worked for 3 months in an interior deco, and then now I went to another one where I worked for about 1 year to 1.5 years, and then from then I've been working as an interior designer for another firm, whereby I've been there for about 4 years now, starting my 5th year in like 3 months. So I've tried. I went to Egerton University, and actually I didn't just do interior design. The thing that I loved about Egerton is that they had a combined, like it's like a 3-in-1 course, whereby you do fashion, then you do textile technology, and then you do interior design. Now for other universities, those 3 are usually separate. For instance, in Maseno and in KU. I'll take you through other schools and what they cover and all that later, but I just wanted to introduce what this is all about. So I realized when I was picking a course in secondary school, I actually didn't know what I wanted to do. All I knew was I had done art, and there was a list of courses that were good for people who like art. So I saw interior design. I didn't know much about it or how the market in this country is, but I was like, you know what, let me try it out. I tried to look up several companies that do interior design in Kenya or East Africa, and it was a bit hard to get content because the only thing I could find was their addresses on Kenyaplex and Yellow Pages, but there was not much information that was useful to me there. So I want to encourage people who want to do interior design. I want to inspire them. I want to inform them on what interior design is all about and the market demands, and how, just to inform you how interior design has been for me, and also to teach you a few things. We'll do a few tutorials. We'll do what else? Anything interior designing. So let's start the journey.